Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds HONOR Earbuds to Lite from your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top. But if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. Now, at the device list, click the information icon near to your headphones. Then, at the left side, we have Forget the Device button. You need to click at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones, but leave them at the device list and reconnect your earbuds in the future, you need to select Disconnect, because with Forget this device we will totally remove them. So let's do this. Forget the device and forget device. And as you can see, we just remove it from the MacBook. Now we can put them to the charging case and close the case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!